Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there, dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden crafts project ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Wooden crafts project ideas hold a unique and enduring appeal that makes them naturally preferable for many artisans and enthusiasts alike. This preference stems from a combination of aesthetic, functional, and environmental factors that highlight the intrinsic qualities of wood as a material. First and foremost, wood possesses a warmth and beauty that few other materials can replicate. Each piece of wood carries its own distinct grain patterns, colors, and textures, which add character and depth to any crafted item. Whether it's the rich hues of mahogany, the lightness of pine, or the unique knots found in reclaimed wood, the visual diversity of wood creates an aesthetic charm that resonates with many people. This natural beauty often evokes feelings of comfort and connection to nature, which is particularly appealing in an increasingly digital world. In contrast to synthetic materials, which can often feel cold and impersonal, wood provides a tactile and sensory experience that enhances the emotional connection between the maker and the final product. Moreover, wooden crafts often embody a sense of tradition and craftsmanship that is deeply rooted in human history. For centuries, wood has been a primary material for crafting tools, furniture, and decorative items, making it a symbol of human ingenuity and creativity. This historical significance adds layers of meaning to any wooden project, allowing artisans to tap into a rich legacy of craftsmanship that has been passed down through generations. Many artisans find inspiration in traditional woodworking techniques, which often require a deep understanding of the material and the skills necessary to shape it. This appreciation for craftsmanship fosters a sense of pride in the work and a connection to a larger community of makers who value the artistry involved in creating wooden items. The process of working with wood can be immensely rewarding, as artisans witness their skills develop and their creativity flourish with each project they undertake. In addition to its aesthetic and historical qualities, wood is a remarkably versatile material that can be used for a wide range of projects, from functional items like furniture and kitchenware to artistic pieces like sculptures and wall art. This versatility allows artisans to explore their creativity and experiment with various techniques, styles, and designs. Whether one is interested in carving, turning, or constructing, the possibilities with wood are nearly limitless. This adaptability makes wooden crafts inherently appealing, as they can cater to a variety of tastes, preferences, and practical needs. Furthermore, wood is a material that can be easily manipulated and shaped, allowing artisans to bring their visions to life with relative ease. Unlike some materials that require specialized tools or extensive training, woodworking can be accessible to individuals at different skill levels, making it an inviting pursuit for both beginners and experienced crafters. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another compelling reason for the preference for wooden crafts lies in the environmental benefits associated with using wood as a material. In a time when sustainable practices are increasingly important, wood stands out as a renewable resource when sourced responsibly. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that trees are harvested in a manner that maintains ecological balance and promotes reforestation. By choosing to work with sustainably sourced wood, artisans contribute to environmental stewardship and support a more sustainable economy. Additionally, wood has a low carbon footprint compared to many synthetic materials. It sequesters carbon dioxide throughout its life cycle, helping to mitigate climate change. This ecological consciousness resonates with many individuals who seek to align their crafting practices with their values, making wooden crafts a naturally preferable choice for those looking to make a positive impact on the environment. Wooden crafts also promote a sense of mindfulness and presence that can be deeply fulfilling for artisans. The act of working with wood requires focus and attention to detail, allowing individuals to immerse themselves in the creative process. This mindfulness can be therapeutic, providing a respite from the stresses of daily life and offering a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction upon completing a project. The tactile nature of wood encourages artisans to engage their senses, fostering a deeper connection to the material and the work at hand. As individuals carve, sand, and finish their projects, they often enter a state of flow, experiencing the joy of creation and the meditative qualities that come with it. This aspect of woodworking not only nurtures creativity, but also contributes to overall well-being, making it a rewarding and naturally preferable pursuit for many. Furthermore, the community surrounding wooden crafts adds another layer of appeal. Artisans often find themselves connected to a vibrant network of makers who share their passion for woodworking. This sense of community fosters collaboration, knowledge sharing, and mutual support, enriching the crafting experience. Whether through local workshops, online forums, or social media groups, artisans can exchange ideas, techniques, and inspiration, creating an environment that nurtures growth and creativity. This camaraderie enhances the overall experience of crafting with wood, as individuals are encouraged to learn from one another and celebrate each other's successes. The friendships formed in this community can be deeply meaningful, as artisans bond over their shared love for the craft and the meaningful connections that arise from creating together. In addition to these intrinsic qualities, wooden crafts also hold a unique place in contemporary decor and lifestyle choices. As more people seek to create warm and inviting living spaces, wooden items offer a timeless appeal that complements a variety of design aesthetics. Lastly, the emotional connection that wooden crafts can evoke should not be underestimated. For many, a handcrafted wooden item carries sentimental value that mass-produced products simply cannot replicate. When individuals receive or purchase wooden crafts, they often appreciate the time, effort, and creativity that went into making the piece. This appreciation fosters a sense of connection not only to the object itself, but also to the maker, creating a narrative that enhances the overall experience of ownership. Wooden crafts often become heirlooms, passed down through generations, and imbued with memories and stories that enrich family histories. The ability of wooden items to transcend time and trends, becoming cherished possessions that hold emotional significance, further underscores the natural preference for crafting with wood. The inherent qualities of wood as a material, combined with the rich traditions of craftsmanship, the environmental benefits of its sustainable sourcing, and the emotional connections forged through the act of creating, all contribute to the natural preference for wooden crafts project ideas. Whether one is drawn to the aesthetic appeal, the therapeutic aspects of woodworking, or the sense of community among artisans, the allure of crafting with wood is undeniable. As individuals seek to create meaningful, lasting connections through their work, wooden crafts offer a versatile, sustainable, and deeply fulfilling avenue for exploration and expression. Ultimately, the preference for wooden crafts reflects a desire for authenticity, creativity, and connection in an ever-evolving world, making it a timeless pursuit that resonates with artisans and enthusiasts alike. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden coffee table craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.